And Rob Mayeda is here now. And Rob, people probably wondering, is the weather helping or hurting in this case?
Well, the issue now, you see how dry the hills are. Anytime the wind picks up, that gets a grass fire moving pretty quickly. Usually it comes away from the roads and heads up the hills. So we're going to have to watch this. Temperatures will be trending warmer and conditions trending drier as we see a 2-day warm up on the way to the Bay Area. Although today technically was cooler again. This time yesterday we were in the upper 80s around Walnut Creek, but right now comfortable 77 degrees. If you could head over to Broadway Plaza tonight, might need a light jacket. Temperatures will be cooling off pretty quickly. Right now 69 degrees in San Rafael. San Francisco, no warming here, just stuck in the upper 50s and low 60s, similar to what we saw over the weekend. And into San Jose, hazy sunshine right now, currently 73 degrees. Good news when it comes to allergies. For the first time in weeks, we're in the low range. This is for pine tree pollen, grass pollen, and weed pollen. So hopefully you've been able to back away from the Kleenex boxes because finally some of that airborne pollen levels have been coming down. Air quality also good as we head into tomorrow. But notice the change in air quality Wednesday as temperatures start to heat up and we lose some of the wind. Inland areas back into the moderate range. Stay tuned. We'll see if these levels around the East Bay reach spare the air levels for one day on Wednesday. Satellite view shows you mainly clear skies. Even out to the coast, we've lost the low clouds and fog. So as we head towards tomorrow morning, it will be a sunny start and a sunny finish to the day. Less of that strong sea breeze inland, which helped to bring down temperatures today. The pattern will reverse again and we start to warm back up tomorrow afternoon. So some hazy skies to start tomorrow morning. As early as noon, we're beginning to see 80s out towards Vacaville by lunchtime, and highs tomorrow mid 80s around the North Bay valleys and Concord areas south of San Jose, Morgan Hill in the mid 80s. But notice San Francisco and Oakland still in the upper 60s to low 70s. But watch what happens Wednesday. It's 59 degrees right now in San Francisco, but by Wednesday could be seeing low 70s there, upper 70s into Oakland. But look at these 90s. Concord, Vacaville, Fairfield, down into Morgan Hill. This is on Wednesday, and 90 right there in Santa Rosa. And just like that, temperatures start to cool down as we go into Thursday. Stronger sea breeze and continued cooling as we get into Friday in areas north of Lake County. Friday into Saturday could get interesting. Take a look at this. You do not expect to see this for the first full weekend of summer. A chance of showers down the north coast, maybe not quite to Mendocino County, but certainly cooler moving forward into the weekend as high pressure breaks down after Wednesday. Notice the chance of rain in the Pacific Northwest and ongoing cooling changes in our forecast. Once they get started Thursday, they will hang on for most of the weekend ahead. So tomorrow for San Francisco, some clear skies for a change, should be into the 60s, and one day Bayside temperatures climbing into the 70s and 80s. Cooler Thursday and Friday, winds will be picking up as well. And even with those cooler temperatures, as we just talked about, winds picking up this time of year are always going to be a problem on the grassy hillsides, especially in those inland portions of the East Bay, North Bay. So watch for that as we head towards the weekend, starting to see cooling once again setting up after a 2-day warm up around the Bay Area.
Yeah, I'm sure firefighters are watching your forecast as well, Rob. Thank you.